I woke up to the most disgusting sound I've ever heard in my life. And yes, you're looking at what came from it. So I'm laying there and all of a sudden I wake up to this disgusting sound of a cat being sick. But she was sat on the top of that window while it was open, chundering all down it. But I had to rush to take Alex to Airborne because we have Airborne every year and he was taking part of it with his detachment for the Army Cadets. So I had to take him down. So I was like, oh no. And I was running late because I didn't hear my alarm. Anyway, I quickly rushed him down, got back. By the time I got back, it was solid. It was solid. So I was like, brilliant. Anyway, well, it wasn't too solid, but it was getting there. You know, it's hot. Anyway, I got back and I decided to get some Soflora, some boiling hot water. Absolutely no cold water going on this whatsoever because I want it gone. And I was going to give it a nice little scrub over and get it all white again. It was so gross. I mean, why? Why there? Of all the places your cat can be sick, she decided to be sick at the top of the window. I mean, I get that when you're feeling a bit ill, you want some fresh air. You're like, oh, I need some air. I feel sick. But, you know, she could have leaped out and gone and done it on the floor outside. But anyway, I'm going over it with some lovely lavender spray as well. Make sure, you know, double whammy, get on there. Get it all nice and fresh and clean. And I've got a bit of an announcement to make in this video. Yeah, I'm probably going to lose a lot of you right now. You're probably going to leave me if you leave me now. So basically, I'm not going to do cleaning videos anymore. I am done with inviting the internet into my home just for constant picking on my house, picking on what I should be doing, picking on what I spend my money on, picking on just absolutely everything, basically. And I'm thinking, this is my personal space. Do you know what I mean? You know, I film cleaning because it's real life cleaning, and I chat over it, and I chat to have a laugh, to talk about real things, and it's just normal. I'm definitely not perfect by any means. I mean, for Christ's sake, I'm wearing a shirt at the moment because my tattoo's sore. I'm wearing a massive shirt, which I thought, oh, that's perfect. It's going to cover me backside as well. And does it? Does it, heck? These leggings, they're thermal ones because the temperature's dropped. And I don't cope well with a temperature change. And I'm freezing today. I'm freezing. So I'm wearing thermal leggings. Yeah. And it's not even dropped that much. But these leggings are so warm. They're normally what I wear underneath trousers that are thin, but that I want to wear in the autumn and winter. I will put thermal leggings on underneath so I can still wear the trousers that I like. And they've gone a bit like a nappy at the back. You know, when they go a bit weird, they've stretched a bit, you know, and then when you stand straight, they give that little pouch. That's what these leggings have done. I wouldn't wear them out the house like this, I tell you that. I would not wear these out the house. But they're comfy. They're covered in paint and, yeah, they're my indoors. So for a very long time, so many of you have made me feel so much more better about myself and my life. And I'm so grateful for that. Like, I remember when I first started doing cleaning videos, this was before this was a cleaning channel. And I would just throw in the odd cleaning video and always felt really down about it afterwards because I'd get so much backlash. And I think from where I was to where I am now, I've made a huge difference. We used to be such bad hoarders. I was always so behind in it, mainly because I wasn't coping with whatever was wrong with me. But obviously, I know now what problems I have, and I'm on medication and I'm on various things to help ease it. So, you know, the house did go to absolute poop. And so things are much more controlled. They're not the best, but they're better. The boys are old now and they chip in, they deal with their own things. And I feel like I've come a long way and I feel, you know, really happy about that. I feel really proud about that. Still got so many things I want to do. I've got some carpet on order. Yeah, for the stairs, which I'm really, really excited about. And there's one issue with it, so I don't know if it's going to be right. I might have to redo that. But anyway, yeah, and so many of you have been so lovely, and I can't tell you what a difference it's made. Like when I've come off here, because I've been like at a low point and I've not been on at all, I've really missed you all. There are so many people that I could literally read their name and know their profile picture, or I could see their profile picture and I'd know their name. That's how connected I've been with all your comments and whatnot. You don't don't think you even realise it. And I do see you all as my online friends, and that's just how it is. But just it's really hard to explain, but it's becoming like, do I want this all the time? Like, do I always want to be on my guard? Do I always want to be feeling like I need to be strong enough to put up with this, that, and the other? And I'm just like, I've got enough battles in my life. I can't be doing with this as well. And yeah, so I'm just painting my toilet, because I did the edging like a week ago. I never came back to it, so I'm finishing it today. But I'm just like, no, I don't think I do. I just don't want this for me. I'm going to be sharing other stuff, and I know for a fact I'm going to lose a lot of you, but it's a new journey, and it will be what it will be. So that's that. It's absolutely gorgeous day today. I'm hoping it's not going to get too hot. Apparently got rain coming for 2 weeks. Rain? Which I was like, oh, we need rain so badly. And then the other side of me was like, it's typical. All the plans we had, and it's going to rain. But hey ho, it's looking so much brighter in here when I'm painting the white over. I was like, oh my word, what a difference to that gloomy. I didn't realise how gloomy that grey was until I started putting this white. Although I spill white onto the green, so I've got to give the green another coat, which is fine. I'll make sure the white's done first because I've obviously done it the wrong way around and making a bit of a mess. I am indeed. Yeah, but how is everyone? I hope you're all really good, and I hope you stick around. I'm still going to do voiceovers on what I do, and just going to share something visually different instead of cleaning inside my house. So, yeah. No more inside of this, as many would say, dump, mess, dirty, filthy, disgusting house. But it is what it is. I mean, I just don't know what to say. I feel a little bit lost for words. I feel really like, I don't know. It's not my typical, voiceover. When I first started doing cleaning, I used to dread doing the voiceovers. Dread it. I'm not even joking. It would take me like a day or two, and I'd start recording and then stop it and then delete it, and then I'll go, I'll just come back to that later. Because I was so precise about every clip I'd filmed. I had to describe this, that, and the other. And now I just chat. I don't even look at the screen. Do you know, one time I was actually doing a voiceover, and because I wasn't looking at the screen, what I was doing, I was just walking around the house chatting into my phone. I didn't realise the phone had ended. The video had ended. And it wasn't even recording what I was saying. I had to go back and edit it. I'm cleaning this door because this door is like, it is constantly on the go. Even my door gets picked at. My poor door gets bullied. This one right here. Take it off. Why have you got it on there? You would open it up so much more. Why don't you just take it off? It's my kitchen door. I'm not going to take off my kitchen door just so it feels a bit bigger in the hallway. I mean, yeah, it would be nice to have it a bit more open. It'd be very nice. Like, it would be really nice if I was to take away what's underneath the stairs and just have a staircase and nothing underneath there. That would be lovely. I'd love to do that. But if I took this door off, when I'm cooking foods like bacon and stuff, when I'm doing, I do like cooking up some bacon sarnies. If I'm out there cooking some bacon sarnies, I don't want it spreading around the house and everyone can smell it. And surely for like fire reasons, you wouldn't want your door to be removed in your kitchen? Am I wrong? Oh, I can't wait to get rid of that mustard in the corner there. Mustard. Why did I put mustard there? Why? I mean, I liked it. I do like it. It's not mustard, it's hazel. It's hazel. Let's get it correct. But I don't know. Yeah, I've got a plan for that. I've got a plan in my head. And then, yeah. I like to take photos of my house and then upload them to like the apps you get on all these DIY sites, and they say, see what this paint will look like in your hallway. Or I like doing that. Sometimes I do it for fun when I've got nothing better to do. I like to do that. I'm finding sleeping really difficult at the moment. Really. I just got to tell you, I managed to get the second skin off. Someone said in the comments, thank you so much, because you put me into a massive panic, and for good reason. So you saying about how awful it is to get those off, and I had 2 showers. I had to stand there because the shower ran out. It beeped at me and said, you need to get out. So I was standing there in the shower, and I was literally I pulled it so it's back on itself, turned it over, like a banana skin, and then I just stood there under the shower and I just let my arm relax and it just slowly peeled off. And thankfully I didn't get any pain, but I was so scared you would not believe. But I managed to get it off, and it's just a really sticky neck now. Really sticky. I'm going to go and get some cream today, Bepenthum, because people keep mentioning that one. And I'm going to go out today and go and get some. Might have a look at a little bit of home bargains, I don't know. I'll have a look, see where to go. Not quite sure. Hopefully it's going to be a bit quieter out there now because the Airborne's finished. Everyone would have vacated Eastbourne, and all is well. But I'm just finishing off the last bits in here, and that's that. Getting the edges, all the whites done. Yeah, I hate painting. I used to love it. I hate it now. Absolutely hate it. I used to be like, I don't mind it. It's annoying, but I don't mind it. Now I despise it. To the point now where it's like, if I want anything done, I might just get like wallpaper. Just get wallpaper, because then I haven't got to worry about the edges. And then for some reason, why is it every time you paint the edges with a brush, because you can't do it with a roller, you paint the edges with a brush. Say you've done 2 coats of that. When you do 2 coats of the roller, they never match. Doesn't matter what paint I use, what brushes I use, always the way. And I feel like I have to go around and do the edges again. And then the edges are a bit more prominent than the roller. So annoying. Really, really annoying. Well, anyway, that is life, you know. I was looking at my son yesterday while he was with his cadets, and they were all, you know, sorting out all their kit and everything in the grounds down on the seafront, and he was smiling with his mates and stuff. And I thought, do you know what? Kids are getting older now. You know, that they're working towards their dreams and they're working for things that they want in life. And do they want that in the background? Their mum just cleaning the house, which is what I do anyway, and I'm still going to do it. And having people just slate where they live all the time. I don't want that for them. So if it comes to the point where I'm no longer on YouTube because I'm not sharing cleaning videos, then so be it. Because it's just too much. It's just ridiculous. I mean, I don't care what anyone thinks. I really don't care. But it's just not for me. It's not for me in our personal space. I don't care if it's something outside. Like if I was filming something else outside and people want to say, I'd be like, yeah, whatever. I don't give a toss. But it's our personal space. You know, it's their home. And like I said, they're getting older now. They're working towards their things. And it's just not what I want for them to have in the background. And yeah. But I thank you all so much, and I will see you in another video if you stick around. If you don't stick around, then thank you for being here, and yeah, it's been fun, but I will see you or not see you very, very soon.